Hello guys, welcome back to another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about how you can enable the OTG in your device Vivo X80 Pro and X80. So if in this device you want to enable the OTG or you want to connect the USB with your device, you can do this by the method as I will show you in this video. But before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now if you want to enable the OTG or you want to connect the USB, just follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about it. Let's watch the video.